Tired of a messy car and crumbs that just won't go away? Today, I'm sharing the 5 best car vacuum cleaners on Amazon that can make cleaning your car a breeze. From powerful suction to convenient features, I'll break down what makes each vacuum a must-have, and yes, I'll be upfront about the pros and cons. Let's get started. Number 1. Overall best pick, Black Plus Decker Handheld Vacuum. I recently purchased the Black Plus Decker Dustbuster 20V Cordless Handheld Vacuum, BDH 2000L, and it's been a game-changer for quick cleanups. The suction is impressively strong for a handheld vacuum, effortlessly picking up pet hair, crumbs, and dirt from both carpets and hard floors. I love its lightweight design and cordless convenience. It makes cleaning my car and home much easier without being tethered to an outlet. The detachable nozzle and easy-to-empty dustbin are very user-friendly. My only gripe is that the battery life could be longer for extended cleaning sessions. Overall, it's a reliable, powerful, and compact vacuum that's worth the investment. Number 2. My second best pick, Dyson Car Plus Boat Handheld Vacuum. The Dyson Car Plus Boat Handheld Vacuum is an impressive tool for keeping both my car and home clean. Its powerful 115 AW suction easily lifts dirt, crumbs, and pet hair from upholstery and hard surfaces. I really appreciate how lightweight and cordless it is, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces and awkward angles. The 2 power modes are convenient, giving me flexibility between quick cleanups and deeper cleaning. The battery life is decent, lasting close to 50 minutes on low power, but I wish it recharged faster. Overall, it's a high-quality, versatile vacuum that justifies its price for anyone needing portable, effective cleaning. Number 3. My third best pick, Fantic Slim V8 Apex Car Vacuum. The Fantic Slim V8 Apex Car Vacuum is a compact and surprisingly powerful handheld vacuum. With 19,000 PA suction, it handles crumbs, dust, and pet hair on car seats, desks, and even keyboards with ease. I love its lightweight design and portability. It's very convenient for quick cleanups at home or on the go. The Type-C charging is fast and modern, and the 2 suction modes let me switch between gentle and stronger cleaning effortlessly. My only downside is that the dustbin is a bit small, so frequent emptying is needed during larger jobs. Overall, it's a handy, versatile mini vacuum worth considering. Number 4. My fourth best pick, Black Plus Decker Flex Cordless Handheld Vacuum. The Saker Handheld Car Vacuum is a compact yet powerful cleaning tool perfect for cars, homes, and offices. Its 17,000 PA suction easily picks up dust, pet hair, and crumbs, while the brushless motor ensures strong performance with less noise. The cordless and foldable design makes it super convenient for quick cleanups and easy storage. Battery life is decent, and the included attachments help reach tight spots effectively. One downside is that the dust container is a bit small, so frequent emptying is needed for bigger jobs. Overall, it's a handy, well-built mini vacuum ideal for everyday cleaning on the go. Number 5. Last but not least, my 5th best pick, WRX Compact Vacuum. The Works WX030L.920V PowerShare Cube Vac is a compact and handy vacuum for quick cleanups around the house or car. Its small, cube-shaped design makes it easy to store and maneuver in tight spaces, while the cordless feature adds convenience. I like that it's lightweight yet provides decent suction for crumbs, dust, and small debris. Being part of the 20V PowerShare system is great if you already own WRX tools, as you can use the same battery. The main drawback is that it's sold as a bare tool only, so you'll need to have or buy a compatible battery separately. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite car vacuum cleaner? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.